Now let's look at this ratio. 1 1/3 inch to 1 5/6 inch. Now ratios are easier to understand when we have a whole number to a whole number. Here we have a mixed number to a mixed number. This is harder to understand the relationship between the two quantities. So what we're going to do is reduce this ratio to a whole number equivalent form of it. So let's write down the ratio as a fraction, and it'll be easier to work with. So 1 1/3 is to 1 5/6 can be written as 1 1/3 divided by 1 5/6. The next step, if we have to divide or multiply mixed numbers, we have to change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4/3. 1 1/3 is the same as the improper fraction, 4/3, divided by 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11/6. Now when we divide fractions, this is how it works. 4/3, change the division to multiplication and flip the fraction. So it's 6/11. Now that is the same as 4 times 6 divided by 3 times 11. Do not combine the numbers until you cancel common factors. Multiplying or dividing fractions is all about canceling common factors. What do we mean by that? 3 goes 2 times into 6, and that leaves us with nothing else to cancel because 11 is a prime number. All we can do is, this is what we're left with. So that is equal to 8 divided by 11. But we have to remember at the end that what we're talking about is a ratio, and it's not 8/11ths, but the way we're going to read it is the ratio 1 1/3 to 1 5/6 inches is equivalent to the ratio 8/11. They mean the same thing. All we have done is reduced the numbers to whole numbers. So this is 8/11.